How to fix Snapchat too many friends. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be discussing on how you can fix Snapchat's too many friends, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now apparently there are actually limits to be able to add friends on Snapchat. You have your daily limit of 100 to 130 friends you can add in a daily basis, and on a monthly basis or on your lifetime basis you have over 5,000 friends on Snapchat limit, so you cannot add more than 5,000. If you want to add more than that, you have to remove the friends. So those are the only things. So the another reason you could receive this error is if you try to exceed the daily add limit of 100 to 130 friends. Basically Snapchat actually limits the numbers of the friends that you can add on a per day basis, just in order to avoid spam and so on. You can try adding more friends after 24 hours over here in this case, and when you try to add more friends after 24 hours, the daily add limit exists to avoid scams and bots that flood users with friend requests and messages. You can just try to remove some of the friends over here. Once you've removed a specific number of friends, you should be able to add more friends after that process, so just keep that thing in mind. It's important to remember that having too many friends on Snapchat can cause performance issues, but ultimately it's up to you to manage your friend list and decide who to keep and then who to remove as well. And these were some of the steps on how you can fix if you have too many friends on Snapchat. What you want to do is long press on either of these, tap on manage friendship, tap on remove friend, and then just go ahead and remove some of the specific friends and then add some of the more friends if you like. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.